风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes the music of 功德 with a song called 一三年练习一三年, which means practice alone. And this is a story about himself. He used to be a teacher, but then he turned into a musician where his schedule was flipped upside down and he found himself losing touch with his friends and family. So he had to spend a lot of time by himself and realizing that learning to be alone is one of the most important lessons in life. Let's take a listen.
爱问路灯风暗夜用盼的水爱问夜光两人用喊走出来爱问之间行安久用无限开爱问的叹气无人烟一三年练习一三年不是新鲜便宜一三年练习一三年面对所有的事情要的就是开的就是享受就是
一三年练习一三年的意思就是一个人练习一个人。这首歌是什么意义呢？我们来听一下哦，这是功德自己的故事。他其实原本是国小的体育老师，但是在25岁的时候换跑道成为音乐人，但也因此生活开始日夜颠倒，跟亲友呢也比较少联系，常常呢都是要独自一个人，也发现独处是人生的一个课题。有的时候或许你孤单，但并不孤独哦。It's another Golden Melody Award nominated song called 一三年练习一三年一个人练习一个人 by 功德. Hope you liked it. I am Joseph Lin, and thank you for listening. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.